Hey guys, here's a 52-inch Hampton Bay Andover ceiling fan from July of 2006. This is another fan that I pulled out of the trash, and this one's in really bad shape. The blades are all bent out of whack because this was literally thrown at the curb. One of the blades was bent totally sideways, but I actually managed to get it back to the correct, or somewhat the correct degree. The globe was smashed, so it's gonna have no globe for the video. Did come with a mounting bracket though, and the mounting bracket was pretty interesting because it was reinforced because this fan is very heavy. The whole motor housing is almost like a flower pot. It's made of the flower pot material. It's an outdoor rated fan, plastic blades. This fan originally would have came with a wall remote control, aka a wall control. But unfortunately I just got the receiver, there was no control with it. So for the video I'm just going to use a Hampton Bay remote. Without further ado, here's the light. I'll dim that down a little bit. There's the light, and here's low speed. Has a really bad hum to it, but it's the way it is. Now I do have to watch the blades because they are getting very close to the fans on the side there. So if this thing gets wobbling a lot, then I'm gonna have to shut it off. I did do some research on this model, and I think it was only sold in 2007. Because I did not see it in the 2006 catalog, so I'm pretty sure it was only sold in 2007. But it's about low speed. It goes pretty slow. Not moving too much air. It's medium. See, it's starting to wobble. I'm going to take the camera off here, because if I have to shut this fan off, I need to grab it. Here's high. Looks like it's not too bad. It's not going very fast because the blades are still bent. Definitely see that. I don't think I'm going to part this fan out, thinking about it now. I'll probably just throw it under the porch and hang it up. Because it works okay. I mean, you know, it's just the only thing I can really get out of it is the screws and maybe some of the wiring and the mounting bracket. But, you know, I think I'm just going to leave it. It's pretty cool. I'll shut it off. It does say the date right there. Oh, excuse me. Oh man, the blades are sagging pretty badly, and then there's that one that's really screwed up here. I did have a little accident. It is cracked a little bit on the blade arm, but just have to deal with it. And this was the one I got along with the Reddington 2. So that's it. It's ceramic material. It's pretty interesting. But anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.